On the 8th of December 2025, Wontumi came to court in relation to the Samara Boy case. And this particular case, his application for the prosecution to disclose further documents for the trial of the case was struck out by the court. According to the court's decision, the prosecution could not provide these documents, and it was assumed that no documents of such nature exist. And the case was adjourned to today. Even before the case began, or the court could sit on the case, lawyers for Chairman Wontumi, led by Andy Apiakubi, raised a concern about the fact that the documents presented by the prosecution were not readable, and for that reason the judge should adjourn the case for them to get better documents in order to help in the trial of this case. The judge listened to that and adjourned the sitting to tomorrow.
It was supposed to be case management this morning. When we came, we realized that some of the documents were not readable, documents defiled. And so we told the court that we cannot read these documents. They are not readable. And the court also looked through the file and also realized that it is true that those documents couldn't be read by anybody, notwithstanding even application of a magnifying glass.
Meanwhile, Andy Apiakubi said his client has been law-abiding because almost every time he's asked to appear before the court, he comes alongside his legal team.
The laws of Ghana requires that you appear before court if you are summoned. And if you look at the front page of every writ, it is so stated that if you don't come, the matter can continue without your presence. So it is a requirement of the law that when you are summoned to appear before a court, you ought to show presence. So my client has been religiously responding to all such invitations. And you bear me out that my client is almost the first person to come to court on each court date.
For Joy News from the court complex here in Accra, I'm Fatal Bayaga.